Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can switch your LycaMobile physical SIM to an eSIM. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to log into your LycaMobile account. So you can use your mobile or use a browser. So go sign in to LycaMobile account on their website. Then you'll have to click on SIM management within your account. From there you'll have to look up for the SIM swap tab, and then from there you'll have to press on the swap physical SIM to eSIM. So after that you'll have to place an order for an eSIM. So to do that you'll have to place an order for an eSIM, and upon successful order placement you'll receive a confirmation email with a QR code. What you'll have to do is you'll have to scan the QR code. So what you can do is you can open the email in your PC or desktop or laptop, and then you can use your mobile to scan the QR code. So QR code will contain essential eSIM information, so it is a must. So after that after you use your device camera to scan the QR code, what will happen is it will install the eSIM on your phone. So after that what you will have to do is you'll have to enter physical SIM details. So after it installed, they will ask for some details, and you'll have to enter the physical SIM details, including the MSISDN, which is your phone number, and ICC ID. And then you'll have to submit all this for validation. After that you'll have to enter your eSIM details here as well. So your eSIM mobile number and also ICC ID. And then you'll have to confirm the swap of the physical to eSIM. After that again you'll have to confirm it. Your original number will be mapped to the eSIM, and any balance and account details will be carried forward to the eSIM. So this is how you can easily switch from a physical SIM to an eSIM in LycaMobile. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.